Hi everyone, welcome to Learning Management System, Department of Collegiate and Technical Education. Today I am going to take class for 5th SEM Diploma Electrical and Electronics branch students. The subject is Electrical Estimation and Costing and the subject code is 15GG54P. So the topic is the listing of the materials required for extending 11 kV lines. Let us solve a simple example. Prepare the schedule of materials for extending a 11 kV lines to a distance of 8 km. Here we have to assume the number of deviations and the number of guardings if any railway or highway crossings are there, and also the distance between the two poles, that is span, that also we have to assume here. Let us see here. Assume there is 8 deviations and the line crosses a railway line and a highway. Assume a span of 85 meter for 8-meter long poles, RCC poles. Then number of span equal 8 into 1000 divided by 85 meter. So that is 8000 divided by 85. That comes 94.11. Here we have to take whole number. So let us take 94. The number of supports. So number of supports includes number of single poles plus number of double poles. So that is equal to number of span plus 1. Number of span is 94. Then so number of supports equal 94 plus 1, that is 95. If the line is to be tapped from transformer, then a tapping DP structure is not required. If suppose the line is to be tapped from the existing line, then a tapping DP is required with the safety device HG fuses and for controlling a GOS required. So let us consider the line is tapped from transformer, then a tapping DP is not required. Hence, the total number of double poles equal 1 into number of kilometers. So that is 8 numbers. Then next item is number of single poles. The number of single poles equal total number of supports minus total number of DPs. Here total number of supports is 95 and the total number of DPs is 8. So 95 minus 8 gives the 87. The total number of single poles is 87. Then next item is number of anchoring poles. The anchoring poles are required to break the line. So that is required one number for each kilometer. That is equal to 1 into number of kilometers. So that is 8. So 8 numbers for 8 kilometers. Then next item is number of 2-pin horizontal cross arms. Then next type, one more type is there. V type 2-pin horizontal cross arms. These are the cross arms used to hold the conductor through the pin insulators. So 2-pin horizontal cross arms required for 2 lines, and for one more line the number of single top supports are required. So these two are equal in number, that is equal to number of poles plus number of deviations, that is equal to 87 plus 8, that is the 95 sets. The total number of 2-pin horizontal cross arms or the total number of single top supports are 95 sets. Next item is the number of 11 kV class pin insulator with pin and nut. So that is equal to number of supports plus number of deviations totally multiplied by 3. So the number of supports is 95 here, and the total number of deviations we have assumed is here is 8. So that is 95 plus 8 into 3. So that comes 309 numbers. So that is the number of 11 kV cross pin insulators equal 309 numbers. Next item is number of 45 kilonewton capacity disk insulator equal 3 numbers at sending end plus 3 numbers required at receiving end plus 6 into number of anchoring poles plus 6 into number of double poles. So totally equal 3 plus 3, 6 into 8 plus 6 into 8. So that comes 102 numbers. The number of 45 kilonewton capacity disk insulator is 102 numbers. Then next item is number of 11 kV class die sets, including its all accessories, that is stay wire, stay rod, stay plate, stay tightener. All these materials should be included in die set. So that is equal to 1 at sending end plus 1 at receiving end plus 2 into number of anchoring poles plus 4 into number of DPs plus 1 into number of deviations plus 2 into number of guardings. That is 1 plus 1 plus 2 into 8 plus 4 into 8 plus 8 plus 2 into 2. Totally 46 sets are required. Then next item is length of number 2 Wiesel ACSR conductor. So that is equal to 3 into number of kilometers into 1.03. So that is 3% extra to be taken in the length of the conductor to provide extra length for the conductor sag. So that is equal to 3 into 8 into 1.03. So that is comes around 24.72 kilometers. Next item is number of spiral earth electrodes. That is also equal to number of anti-climbing devices. That is equal to number of 1 into number of single poles plus 2 into number of double poles. That is 1 into 87 plus 2 into 8. So total is 103 sets. Next item is number of danger boards. That is equal to 1 into number of supports. Totally 95 numbers are required. Next item is number of special horizontal cross arms for guardings. So that is 2 into number of guardings. We are taking the guardings 2 numbers for the railway and highway crossings. So that is 2 into 2 is 4 sets are required. Next item is weight of 8 SWG GI wire for guarding. Here net is to be made from 8 SWG GI wire that is fixed to the horizontal cross arms for guarding purpose. So that is equal to 20 kgs into number of guardings. Here 20 kgs into 2 numbers. So that is total 40 kgs are required. The reference books are as follows. First one is Estimation and Specification by Gangadhar Rao. Second one is Estimation and Specification by Raghunath Rao. And the next one is Estimation and Specification by Raghavendra Rao. It is the team responsible for e-content development. Thank you for being with us. Please write to us your suggestion about content, tools and format, etc. to lms.dtek@gmail.com. Thank you. Let us meet again in the next session.